friends, I'm Ananya. Today we are going to see a project. It is named as Electrolysis of Water, which involves splitting of water into two parts, that is hydrogen and oxygen. What do we need? We need pure water in glass, salt, two pencils, a battery and cardboard with two holes. Let's prepare the setup. Pure water is insulator of electricity, so we are adding salt in it to make it a conductor. This is the setup. I have inserted the pencils into the cardboard and the cardboard is mounted on the glass like this way. This is a 9-volt battery. I'll place this battery over here now. As soon as I connect the battery, we can see some bubbles coming. Can you see? Yes. Bubbles are more on the left side. Why? Because it is the hydrogen gas and in the water there is more hydrogen. So it happens at the negative end. And at the positive end we can see less bubbles because there is only one oxygen molecule in water at the positive end. The formula of water is H2O, that is hydrogen has two molecules. So at the negative end we can see more bubbles and there is only one molecule of oxygen, so we can see less bubbles at the positive end. This process is known as electrolysis of water. Thank you.